Hello friends, this is Avi from the Code Info. Today we will learn how to install Flutter framework in your Mac OS, and today we'll also create your Hello World application using Flutter framework. Guys, please like, subscribe and share my channel to your friend and family for get regular update from my channel. So guys, first of all, what is Flutter? Flutter is open source software development kit which is created by Google. It is used for develop cross-platform application for Android, iOS, Windows and web application. So first of all, please open Google Flutter Dev official website in your macOS or any browser and click on Get Started. Today we will learn how to install Flutter framework in your Mac OS. I am just explaining you step by step. There is some basic requirement for install Flutter framework. It is the system requirement. Basically, operating system required 64-bit for Mac OS and disk space minimum 2.8 GB, and also need to install some tool like Git, Xcode, Android Studio and some other tool. Let's start installation of Flutter SDK. First of all, we need to download Flutter Mac OS 2.2.1 stable.zip file in your system. So click on the now starting to download. Now it's successful download in my downloads folder. After that, you have need to create a separate folder and folder name will be NA because Flutter store in a separate folder. And so first of all, create a folder in your any directory. I'm just creating a separate folder in my admin directory. Okay, okay, now move to your earlier created folder. Sorry, data. Now folder is fully empty. So after that we have need to unzip the Flutter bundle file which is we download from the Mac OS. So Flutter zip file is successfully unzip my folder. Let's check what is unzip. Okay, let's create another folder like the Flutter, and there is some file which is unzipped in Flutter folder. Okay, now you have need to set your Flutter tool path. Okay, so just set your path. After that, type the Flutter doctor by which this will be it will be identify if any dependency tool need to install to complete this setup. Okay, now as for Flutter doctor, each and everything is well set up in my Mac OS because I have already installed Xcode and their command line tool and simulator, and also already installed Android Studio. That's why it's giving success. After that, the major point have need to attention about folder and Flutter and Dart path or location, because Flutter and Dart both will be located or located in same folder or same path. Otherwise, it will be give compile time error. Okay. So each and everything has been properly set up. Now this time to create your first application. I promise you to create Hello Flutter application. Okay. So just type. Okay. Now move to your my app folder cd. Okay. And then run your Flutter. It will take some more time to first type install and set up app with your simulator or emulator. Great. App is fully comedian. It's now default open in my browser, and I'm happy to look it now, because I forget to start our simulator or emulator. But it's a great feature of Flutter to check which is the active simulator, emulator, or web. Or if all three options will be available, then it's asked to select any one out of them. Otherwise, if any one is open, then directly application will be run like Android and iOS. Otherwise, it will open in your web browser. Great, great, like this. I hope guys you are getting all these points, and I hope you are learning to basic setup of Flutter framework. Okay. So I'm just also going to run this app on your simulator. Okay. So first of all, I'm just open the simulator by typing the command open. Our simulator will be open, but it will take some time to initialization and appear on a screen. Okay, so please wait some time. Okay, guys, then simulator is successfully launched. Now I'm just start our application. So my application is successfully run on iPhone 12 OS version 14.5. Okay, it's great. If you want to